going to briefly review the carbon cycle, although it's unlikely that you'll actually have to draw a diagram of this on a test. Diagrams are helpful. So we're going to start with some land and some water. And in that water, we are going to put some photosynthetic aquatic life. And on the land, we are going to put some photosynthetic life. On land, we can also put some respiring animal organisms, as well as in the sea. And we're also going to create a combusting vehicle. And these are going to represent the different ways that carbon is able to move around in the atmosphere. First of all, any living thing that has mitochondria, be it plants or fish or people, they are going to respire. And that is a form of putting carbon into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is the actual opposite of the cell respiration equation, and that is going to return carbon or fix carbon from the air into living matter that to us just looks like a plant. Now, when something dies, decomposition is going to provide a return of that carbon to the mineral nutrient cycle, as well as any sort of fossilization process. Now, these objects that are in the ground can be extracted, say, in the form of coal that is then processed and placed into a gasoline tank that is then combusted, and combustion is going to return that carbon to the atmosphere. These ways of moving carbon around are worth noting and can be seen again in this diagram as well. Note the methane emissions not included on the previous diagram.